Hello traders, it's a chart. In this chart you will get calls like a signal. Automatic buy, sell calls indicator. We can say it's an indicator also. Today 1 minute of market open 9:16, sell call, red color candle open. Like this daily automatically it will give the calls like a signal. Whenever the market trend change means you will get calls like a signal. Right now it's a downside market, downside breakout, sell call, red color candle came. Right now you are watching this video. Like this daily you just need to watch this chart. This chart will give you the calls like entry point, target, stop loss. Through this entry you can do manual trading, auto trading, both are possible. And if you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will send you the plan detail. Today it's a Friday market, Jan 10th market, 9:16 AM. Sell call came, first call, sell at 49,620. Can you see that straight white line from red candle? That is the white line is the entry line. Below line are target line. Above line is the stop loss line. So the entry point is 49,620. First target is 49,496. It's a 120 point difference, more than 120 point difference. Daily on standard basis, we are uploading video on Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. How calls are generating, how it performing in Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. But you can change script like Nifty, Reliance, crude oil also. And in few minutes I will show a option chart also. So you will have idea about Bank Nifty Future and Bank Nifty option chart. For now, in this 2 candle, it has given a 100 point momentum in just a 2 candle of sell call, but still not break out the target. Market was going volatile after a momentum. After 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it successfully break out the first target. And continuous bearish momentum. Again 2-3 candles, a strong downside direction, and it break out the second target range. Like this call generated and break out both the target. 49,000 put option. It's out of the money option. 558 is the entry point. Currently trading above 680. Currently market also reached second target. So like this we can change script like in the money, at the money, out of the money also. For that option chart also signal will come. Through that signal you can do your intraday trading. If you want to know the chart plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.